In today's video, I'm sharing with you a quick way to make a key holder, and I'll show you exactly how. And I'm using these mandala style molds. I used it before. Check the card above, and we're going to use that. We're going to use a white pearl mica powder, and we're going to use this sunshine golden mica powder and our resin. Very quick and easy. And if you like what I've created by the time we're done, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos. And you can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok to see how we actually use this, because I will use this to style, for example, my home, or in case another client shares how they have used theirs. And so right now, let me wear my gloves, wear my mask and shield, and then get back to you. This is a very, very quick one. Now let's remove all the marbles. And remove this. It's all cured. Oh, look at how it has turned out. I can't imagine this with dark colors or this itself on a darker surface so you can see the contrast. This is why I love creating instead of buying. If you're learning resin or DIY, I hope this inspired you. And if you'd like a custom piece made for your space, you'll find my details below. Thank you for creating with me. I'll see you in the next episode. God bless you. Baraka Tele.